Okay everyone, let's try to create this template. At first it's nothing really special, but let's see what is the matter. You find out what is special about this. The effect is special. Okay, let's see how we create this. At first, when you zoom out, you find out how we create this. You wanna guess? You can guess how we create this. If you have any guess, okay, let's try to create this. We are going to create this. At first, we need to create a new slide. The background is a picture background we have. You change it from here to the background you want. We then copy our shape and paste it here. Now we have our black shape and we just need to copy nature here. But I want to change it a little. I don't want to make it look like the last page because I think something is wrong with it. I don't really like it. Let me increase it in size. I downloaded some fonts and I forgot about their names, but let's search to find one. No, it's not good. It's nice. I don't downloaded it, but it's nice. It's done the work. Okay, now we need to reduce its size a little. Okay, we have our text. Let me make it better looking. It's in the center now. Now we have our text. What I want to do now, I want to create that effect. How we create that effect? Let me just insert a new slide. In this new slide, I create a shape. This shape is going to be, okay, now creating another shape. Click on both of them and make them fragment. Now we have two equal rectangle. It's a good trick for use. You can use it if you want. It's good to use. I like it. I'll make them non-outline. Then the trick is that we are going to make them a slide background. Now put them here. Now the only thing we need is to move them, press shift, move them by shift to move smoothly, move them by press control and move them by shift. Okay, now we need what? We need the text. How the texts are going to happen to be here. Let me say the text is going to be here. Then the text is going to be here. Now, I want to make something more interesting about the presentation you see. I want to make it to fade in or flying. Floating is good, and I'm going to say it with previous and copy this text, paste it here. Sorry, I copied the wrong thing, I think. Copy and paste it here and set it floating, but from top and with previous. Now let's run our presentation and see what it looks like. What is the problem? The problem is that we forget to set the transition to morph. Now let's run it. What is the problem again? Because we don't have this text here. Let me just send it to back. Now run it. You see how beautiful is it? Okay, we create this presentation again. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you like it, and tell me in the comments if you have any questions. I will be thankful for your support, and don't forget to watch our another videos. Until then, have a good